Sony with Android wireless connection. Step 1. Network selection. Select a network connection method. Recommended connection to mobile hotspot. Step 2. Connecting camera to the network. Find the Wi-Fi settings. Choose access point settings. Find your phone hotspot. Input the password. IP address setting choose auto. Priority connection choose all. Registered. Step 3. Access to key information. Open Piufoto. Find the album. Choose wireless connection. Choose upload quality and mode. Access to key information. Step 4. Turn on FTP transfer function. Find server setting in FTP transfer function. Choose a server. Destination settings. Host name. Input the FTP server IP which in your phone. Input the FTP port here. Nothing in specified directory. Input username and password. Return to FTP function. Turn on FTP function. Connected. Automatic transfer on. Transfer target choose JPEG only. Turn off FTP power save. OK. Press the shutter and let your photos fly. Piufoto. Photos can fly.